When me lose direction, me call upon JAH. Road get dark, me couldn't see. Too many thoughts weighing on me. Me tried alone, but me feel slowly, till me learn, say me need something holy. Every step feel uncertain still, but me hear a voice in the still, tell me calm down, just be still. Not every wound require will. Me stop fighting what me can't control, start healing deeper in my soul. Some answers come when me let go, that's when light start for sure. Jah guide me through the stormy night. When everything wrong, you make it right. Even when me lose the sight, still you carry me through the fight. Jah guide me, no walk alone. Even when me far from home, in the dark you be me tone. Strength I find when me feel unknown. Me used to chase what fade away. Now me learn to just pray and stay. Every lesson come in its own way. Even pain have something to say. Me release what me cannot fix. Stop mixing peace with toxic tricks. Now me build from spiritual bricks. Foundation strong, me mind transfixed. Me surrender all the weight to hold. Turn me fear into something bold. Now me heart no longer cold. Jah presence more valuable than gold. Jah guide me through the stormy night. When everything wrong, you make it right. Even when me lose the sight, still you carry me through the fight. Jah guide me, no walk alone. Even when me far from home, in the dark you be me told. Strength I find when me feel unknown. Me trust the path now, even when me not understand.